right, new gym, new me. Time to show these people what's up.
Bro, somebody help me. My arm is broken. I am not okay.
Jake, that was a 15-pound dumbbell.
It slipped.
It slipped.
The handle was sweaty.
Nobody else touched it, Jake.
Can we just go home?
Nah, but what we are gonna do is fix those noodle wrists of yours. Stay with us. Real talk, when's the last time you actually trained your wrists? I train everything. Chest, arms, legs, your wrists specifically. Wrists don't need training. They're just there. They're just there. Guys, this is why we're here today. Look, my wrists are perfectly fine. They're just naturally slim. It's called being lean. Bro, your wrist looks AI generated. Okay, maybe they could be a little thicker. Sit down, bro. I got you. Weak wrists are way more common than people think, and the fix is actually not that complicated. You just gotta know what to do. Why weak wrists happen? Here's what nobody tells you at the gym. Everybody trains the glamour muscles. Chest, biceps, shoulders, the stuff that looks good in selfies. But wrists and forearms, completely ignored. See these muscles right here? These control your wrist. If they're weak, your hand folds faster than cheap lawn chairs. That's why some people grab a dumbbell and their wrist instantly says, nah bro. And no, squeezing one of those cheap plastic hand grippers for 30 seconds isn't magically gonna turn your wrists massive. I have 3 of those grippers. I know, Jake. The good news, your wrists absolutely can get stronger and thicker. Consistency, right exercises, little patience. I got 4 moves that are gonna change everything. Let's get into it. First up, wrist curls. Forearms on your thighs, palms up, curl the weight with just your wrists. Slow, controlled. 3 sets, 15 reps. Full control. Don't ego lift this. Your forearms don't care about your pride. Oh, I actually feel that. That's your forearms saying hello. First time meeting, apparently. Exercise 2, reverse wrist curls. Same movement, opposite direction. Now you're hitting the extensor muscles on top of your forearm. Most people skip this one and wonder why their wrists still feel weak. Training only one side is like training chest and skipping back. Doesn't work. 3 sets, 12 reps. Start light. Bro, I think I just unlocked a new muscle. That muscle has been unemployed your entire life. Exercise 3, and this one is a cheat code, dead hangs. You just hang from the bar. That's it. Your entire body weight forces your grip to fire, which builds your forearms and wrists like nothing else. 3 sets, 30 seconds each. Rest a minute between. Get stronger, go longer. Farmer's carries work the same way. Grab heavy dumbbells and walk. Grip holds on the whole time. Simple, brutal, effective.
Yes!
4.8 seconds.
Game over.
Gravity is actually insane when you think about it. Last one, and this is criminally underrated. Plate pinches. Grab a weight, pinch it with your fingers. Hold it for time. That's the whole move. Hits your finger flexors, grip, and wrist stabilizers all at once. Start with 10 pounds. Work your way up. 3 sets, 20 to 30 seconds. First day, maybe? Nutrition plus recovery. Quick bonus, 3 things that make all of this actually work. Protein builds the muscle, collagen supports your tendons, seriously underrated. Throw it in your post-workout shake, and sleep. Your body grows when you're resting, not when you're here. Skip these and your gains slow down hard. Protein, collagen, sleep. That's it. Let's wrap this up. I was just resting my eyes. All right, 4 exercises. Wrist curls, reverse wrist curls, dead hangs, plate pinches. Add them to the end of any upper body day, twice a week. 8 weeks of consistency and you will see a difference. Tell me in the comments, what's the most embarrassing thing your weak grip has ever done? Let's go! Bro, not again!